If you're trying to play co-op in Zenless Zone Zero and can't find the option, here's how it actually works in 2026 because it's not unlocked right away. And quick heads up, if this helps, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss ZZZ guides like this. First, you must progress the story. Co-op doesn't unlock at the very beginning. You need to advance through the early main missions until multiplayer becomes available in your Internaut menu. If you don't see it yet, keep pushing the main story. Once unlocked, go to the Hollow Zero/co-op enabled activity and choose the multiplayer option instead of solo. From there, you can either match with random players or invite friends directly. To invite friends, both of you need to be on the same server/region, have co-op unlocked, be at the required Internaut level, add each other in the in-game friends list first, then use the invite option inside the activity lobby. If co-op is grayed out, it's usually one of three things. You're not far enough in the story, your level is too low, or you're trying to enter a mode that doesn't support multiplayer. Not every mission in ZZZ is co-op enabled. For smoother sessions, make sure your connection is stable before queuing. ZZZ co-op can fail to launch if someone has high ping or connection drops during lobby load. Pro tip, if invites aren't sending, both players should restart the game once. This refreshes session sync and fixes most lobby bugs instantly. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with what menu you're stuck on and I'll walk you through it.